What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but anyways, there's been some changes. Sold the S10, no, the S15, and I sold the Golf. So now all I have left is my Escort, and I'm going to be working on that for a while. There's all kinds of stuff that needs done. I need new struts, I need some welding, and I need some others in the trunk, in the little cubby. So I'm going to have to fix that, and then when I get that fixed, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mount my new trailer hitch receiver that I got today. So I'm going to show you that. Got it off of Amazon. So anyways, it's like 130 bucks, whatever. But I'm going to be doing some towing, and here's all the hardware. I'm going to be doing some towing with my little Escort, and it came with instructions, you know, and not that difficult to follow. It actually mounts to the tow loops that are already on the vehicle. I had to go pick this up today. It was like 25 bucks. It's like 1.25 inch shaft, so that's the one you need for this. So anyways, I want to kind of show you here what I'm going to repair though first. Let me get my flashy light, because I don't have any light in the trunk, and I don't have my drop light anymore. Okay, so as you can see, there is a hole in the little cubby. It's probably not a super huge ordeal as far as structure, but that's not what I'm concerned about. It's right by the exhaust, so I really don't want those exhaust fumes, you know, making me high while I'm driving. So, but you can see it's pretty crunchy, and it's pretty messed up. So anyways, I'm gonna get that knocked out. I'm gonna get a piece of metal welded in there real quick, get it sealed up a little bit, and call it good, because it doesn't have to be beautiful or nothing. It just has to be sealed. So anyways, I'm gonna work on that real quick first, and then I'm gonna get working on the mounting. I'm gonna have to jack this up a little bit so I can work under here a little better. Like I say, it mounts to the tow hooks. So anyways, but there's some, I'm gonna have to knock off that stuff and shoot some paint on it to cover it back up, and go over this a little bit. Ooh, well, you know, it'll be good enough for what I'm doing, hopefully. Like I say, it mounts to the little loop there, and you can see even better what's going on over here. Crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. Anyways, I'm not gonna really give you like instructions or nothing. I'm just gonna do this and get it done, and then I'll show you the results. Yeah, that's terrible. Anyways, I'm gonna get to it. I'll get this taken care of, however long it takes, and then I'll actually show you the results and everything of it all done. And so anyways, this will be kind of like my first video in a while. So anyways, I just wanted to get this done, because I actually also have, I had bought a little trailer so that I could haul stuff with. So anyways, we'll get to all that here in a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to show you my high quality hack job here. It is pretty solid. So that's really all the best I could hope for. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to seal it. I'm just going to use some caulk, just something to seal up the seams and stuff with, and in that way it doesn't leak exhaust fumes into the trunk and then they get into the cabin. So anyways, I do have another problem up there in that corner where the seat bolts to. The back of the seat bolts up in that corner. So anyways, I got a piece that I got to fix up in there, but I'm not going to do that tonight. It's going to be for another day. But anyways, I wanted to get this done so that I can get my hitch put on and stuff, and so I don't have any more leaking into the vehicle of the exhaust fumes. So I'm going to be putting the receiver on. There's a couple holes I got to drill, but basically it's should be pretty quick. It's not a huge ordeal. Like I said, I had it up there to check out and see where it sits and stuff, and I got to drill like 2 holes, and then the rest is just bolt on. Okay, so I got the hitch on, got the receiver on, and I got the hitch, but I can't put my ball on because it's too big. I got to get a ball for that size of hole. So anyways, I'll show you what all I got here. See, it's put on. Looks pretty good. It's a perfect fit. Like I say, it was just a one from Amazon, you know, that was for this car. So anyways, as soon as I get a ball. Okay, so since I didn't have the right size of ball hitch last night, had to run and grab one from Wally World, $10. So now this one should ought to work. So I'm gonna go and grab the hitch real quick so I can get this put on. Okay, so had that in the trunk. So anyways, we got that. Let's see if we got anything in the right size. Of course I don't have the right size socket. Why would I? It's okay. I got a couple of croissant wrenches. Put that in there. Put this on here. Put this on here. Now it has become one. So we'll go get that put on, and then we'll go out to the trailer and we'll get it hooked up, and I'm probably going to drive it around the block because I've never towed with the ZX2 before. So anyways, we're going to do that. I don't have the lights hooked up yet, but I ain't worried about it right now because still doesn't have the plate on the trailer or anything, but just taking it around the block isn't going to hurt anything, I don't think. The best part about these little trailers is you don't have to be a precision backer-upper guy. Locked. Well, okay, so I'll have to get hooks, I guess, or bigger links, bigger screw links. But anyways, this will be fine for taking it around the yard or whatever. Alright, so not too bad. A little bouncy, but that's because it was empty. But anyways, we are set up to tow. What it amounted to was I sold the truck, pay off my child support, get that done and over with forever. And then I got the titles back to my cars, and I went ahead and I sold the Golf so that I could get my Escort back on the road. Had to get 2 new tires, plates, and a muffler. And I got to thinking, you know what? Why can't I pull a trailer with the Escort and just haul scrap that way or whatever? But anyways, had a buddy that had that trailer. Got that off of him for 50 bucks. It was basically just the frame, and you can see how beat up the fenders were. The fenders were all bent and stuff, so I had to kind of beat them back into submission, and I went ahead and I hit the frame with some Rust-Oleum paint and primer, and had to replace the tongue and put a new coupler on it, and of course new safety chains and new tail lights and wire harness. Anyways, here's the old tongue. As you can see, it was pretty bent up. So anyways, the old coupler's down there too, and so anyway, it was pretty twisted. So anyways, I went ahead and put the work into this. Now I'm waiting for the paperwork to come back so that I can send it back again, because here in Indiana you have to actually have a title and all that stuff for a trailer. So anyways, I had sent the application off and stuff, and I forgot to put pictures in it because they want pictures of your trailer. You know, police has to come out, well, and then he'll sign that paperwork, and then you put it all in a packet, and you're supposed to, like a dummy, I was in such a hurry I forgot to put the pictures in there. And so anyways, I sent it off, and now I'm waiting for it to come back so I can send it back. So anyways, I don't know how long that's going to take or whatever. Hopefully it doesn't take forever. But anyways, once I get that back, get my VIN number, I have to call the officer out again and have him watch me put the VIN tag on, and then he's got to sign that paper again with the VIN number and stuff, and then I have to take that to the BMV and get my title and get my plates. So it's actually kind of a process, which is kind of it's a bit much. They used to do it just at the BMV, but now you got to send stuff off and everything, and it's a pain. But anyways, I'm waiting for all that to get taken care of, and then I'll be on the road, you know, pulling my little trailer. It seemed to pull it just fine. Of course, there's no weight on it, of course, so whatever. But anyways, whenever I haul scrap, usually mostly what I get is appliances anyways, and that thing, it's probably an 800-pound capacity trailer, so certainly I can get a little bit of scrap on it. So anyways, I may put sides on it one of these days. I don't know if I want to do that or not. But anyways, with the Escort having like 135 horsepower, it's got plenty of horsepower to pull a full trailer, certainly. So anyways, we'll have more on that a little later whenever I get the title and stuff taken care of. So anyways, that's kind of it for this video. Sure appreciate you guys and gals watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notifications if you wish, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.